Please turn on the captions in order to get subtitles in your very own language. And if your language is not present in the list, do comment down below and I will make sure that I add your language too. So hey guys, welcome to our very own channel Tech Jason. In my previous videos on Timebucks, I showed you ways on how you can earn money just for signing up into website, how you can earn money for solving captchas, and how you can earn money just by posting TikTok videos. So these were all of the videos which I made about earning with Timebucks. Talking about the payment proof, I showed you ways on how you can transfer your Timebucks money to your bank account using TransferWise, how you can transfer your Timebucks money to PayPal or Paytm using the RTM. The video links for all of the videos which I mentioned is given in the description below. So make sure you go check out that videos. In this video friends, I will be showing a way on how you can earn with Timebucks for watching videos, and more specifically how you can earn money just by watching YouTube videos. Talking about the earnings which you will get in this task. So basically friends, this is a new tab which Timebucks introduced, which is called as Engage tab. So I will tell you what are the earnings which Timebucks will give for completing or for watching videos. As in the captcha tab, you get paid for every 20 captchas you solve. In the similar way, in this tab, you get paid for every 10 videos you watch. So this is how you can earn in this tab, and there are also few bonuses which I will explain a bit later. But this task is sponsored by Engage Hits, so it is one of the famous survey companies. And friends, in any other task which Timebucks provide, Timebucks take a commission fee of like 15% from the advertisers. In this task friends, Timebucks is not taking even a penny, and of the 100% whichever the advertiser will give, it will be distributed among the users. This is a specialty about this tab. And friends, talking about the two bonuses in this task, the first type of bonus, 100 winners will be selected. So how 100 winners will be selected? The first 100 people who will complete watching 20 videos every day for 30 days. So 30 days does not need to be straight 30 days. Like, there is no compulsion that you cannot skip any day. You can skip as many days as you want. But for the first 100 people who will watch 20 videos every day for 30 days time duration will be chosen for the $1 reward. Yes friends, in the first type of bonus, you will get $1 for watching 20 videos every day for 30 days. Even I personally feel that the earning which is given in this bonus is too low. So there is also a second type of bonus, but this bonus will be only restricted to those 100 users who were selected for the first bonus. In the second bonus, what you need to do is, if you are selected, you have to make either a review video about Timebucks. You have to make a review video. What are the things which you like about Timebucks, how much money you have earned, and a review type of video. And the other type of video which you can make is a tutorial video like I am making currently. You can explain any task or anything using the screen recorders. In this bonus, you will get $5 additional. So you are getting $5 plus the $1 which you get for first bonus. So total $6. And along with $6, you also get paid for every 10 videos you watch. This is the amount which you can earn from this single task. And as I told earlier, 100 winners will be selected, and you can always watch a counter on how many users Timebucks have got, how many users Timebucks have selected from those 100. And if you are wondering how many people are selected up till now, I am recording this video on 12th of April, and as of today there are 0 users which Timebucks have got out of those 100 users. So there is a chance for you guys that you can participate and earn a lot of money in this task. But before starting with the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and while clicking on the bell icon, please select the button all. So friends, before actually starting with the tutorial part, there are few requirements which you need to fulfill in order to participate in this task. So the very first type of requirement is that you will need either a PC or a laptop or any Mac devices. Phone and tablets cannot be used for participating in the task. The reason why you cannot participate using a phone and tablet is that you will need to download a Chrome extension, and this Chrome extension can be only downloaded by the PC, laptop or Mac users. This Chrome extension cannot be downloaded in a mobile or tablet. The third type of requirement is pretty simple type of requirement, is that you will need a Gmail account. Yes friends, a Gmail account. And if you don't have a Gmail account, create one. It won't take you more than 3 minutes to create a Gmail account. If you have signed up into your Timebucks account using any Hotmail or any other email ID which is apart from Gmail, you don't need to worry guys. The Gmail address can be different to what you are using for Timebucks. So this is one of the benefit which you can get here. So let's now proceed with the tutorial part. So friends, as you can see, now I am on my laptop screen and this video was recorded on 2nd of April and the time is 1:51 AM. The website which I was talking about is Timebucks.com. My referral link for the same is given in the description below, and you can see two options, sign up and sign in. If you are a new user, just click on the sign up and fill in the details and click on sign up now, and you will get $1 bonus. As I'm a registered user, I will just click on login, fill in my details and click on login here. So once I click on the login here, I will be redirected to the Timebucks dashboard. You can see I have over $5.731 wallet balance. Let me just click on the earn tab, and inside the earn tab you can see list of options through which you can earn. So the latest tab is the engage tab. So let's click on the engage tab. So friends, you can see a list of instructions being written out. I will read out the important instructions. So in this task we will get paid for watching YouTube videos, and this task is 95% automated, so you just have to do 5% work. And you can also work in other browser if you want. You just have to keep this browser open, and PDF and tutorials for the same on how to install the Chrome extension is given below, so you can refer to that. But I will be explaining each and everything, so you don't need to watch anything, and you will get paid for every 10 videos watched. You are getting 100% revenue what the engage hit is given to Timebucks, so it is among world's highest rate. Let us scroll down. You can see two bonuses. The first bonus is a loyalty bonus, wherein you have to watch 20 videos, 2 rounds of 10 videos for 30 days, and you can get $1 bonus. So I had explained it in the introduction part also. And the second type of bonus is where you can earn $5. Second type of bonus is only valid for the first 100 users who were selected during the bonus one. You have to make 2 videos. So here are example of 2 videos. So you can see there are 2 type of reviews being listed out. Watching that you can know what type of video they are expecting, and you have to upload the video on YouTube and send the link to Timebucks. So you can see a tutorial being listed out. So let me just click on the play, and you can see the tutorial is worth 2 minutes, and you can watch in any language which you want. In the similar way, you can also watch my videos in any language by turning on subtitles. Let's click on the start earning, and you can see steps. You have to log in with Gmail, download the Chrome extension and watch specific videos. Just click on the earn money, choose your email ID, and you will be redirected to the dashboard. And friends, if you don't have an account, create one account, and it won't take you more than 3 minutes of your time. And you can see we are facing a huge load. So when I recorded this video, the engage tab was really very new. So that's the reason there was a high load in the servers. But now it's not the case anymore. Let me just click on the refresh to see if the error goes. To start earning, please watch the video tutorial. You can see the first tutorial is worth 6 minutes of time, and you can also watch the PDF wherein everything is explained in detail, and the other tutorial is of 1 minute. So totals in 7 to 8 minutes you will understand how to earn in this tab. So this is the first PDF on how to install the extension, and it is very beautifully written. So let's click on the download extension in order to download the extension. Let us just click on the download, and you can see it is just 187 KB extension, which is very small sized, and it won't take you more than 2 seconds if your internet is good enough. Let me just click on the open. You can see the extension is on extracted form. So what you need to do is we have to upload this extension. For that, just click on the 3 dots and then just click on the settings. Once you click on the settings tab will open. Click on the extensions. Once you click on the extensions, you can see a list of extension, and you can see developer mode. By default it would be off. Just click on the on, and you will see 3 options. Just click on the load unpacked. Once you click on the load unpacked, what you need to do is just search for the file which you have downloaded, and then right click and then click on the extract here. So once you click on the extract here, you can see all of the files being displayed over here. Let's just click on the load unpacked, and the file which I had uploaded was inside the new folder. So let me just search for new folder, and inside the new folder I will just click on the select, and you can see engaged hits has been successfully added. You can see the extension being displayed over here. A day later I had received an email regarding the website is live again. Let's now go back to the engage tab. So for that I will just click on the engage. Friends, now again we will click on the start earning. Once I click on the start earning, I will be redirected to the website, and I will just click on the dashboard. And friends, once you are on the dashboard, just click on the extension, and once you click on the extension you will see two options, which is earn money and earn points. Let's click on the earn money, and you can see our first task has been successfully loaded. So you just have to open youtube.com. So let me just open youtube.com, and the next thing you can see is you have to search this keyword. So for that I will just click on the copy, and we have to watch this video for 11 minutes and 4 seconds. So what you need to do is, once you copied whatever is written, just paste that instruction and then click on the search. All the tasks are different to one another. In this task we have to watch the video for 11 minutes. In few videos you just have to watch for 1 or 2 seconds. It depends upon the requirement of the user who uploaded the video. Timer has been started, and we have to watch this video for 11 minutes and 4 seconds. You have to wait until the page gets fully loaded. Until the page gets loaded, the video get restarted again and again. So please make sure that you wait for the page to load fully. And friends, there is an YouTube hack which you can do in order to complete this task in just 50% of the time. So what you need to do is just click on the settings, and you will see different timers. Just click on the 2, so the video will play in the twice the speed of the actual ones. So you can complete watching this 11.4 minute video in just 5 minutes and 2 seconds. And by that time friends, you can do other tasks, like you can do the sign up task, and you can see the video is getting faster and faster. So let me just pause the video and resume it once the video is fully over. And friends, once after the time is over, you can see task completed. Click on the extension for your next task. Just click on the OK, and you can see open YouTube, and this is the second keyword which you need to search. You have to watch the video till 9 minutes and 26 seconds. So let me just paste the keyword and click on the search. So the extension will automatically search for the video. And friends, sometimes it may be possible that the video is not in the top 30 list. If the video is not in the top 30 list, you have to wait for few seconds and it will automatically open the video. So you can see our video has been opened directly, and this video we need to watch for 9 minutes and 26 seconds. Please make sure don't click anywhere on the screen, or else you can see the video is getting started again and again. And even if you don't click and this problem persists, just pause the video and play it again. And please make sure friends, you keep the quality to the lowest, which is 144 pixels, so that too much of data is not consumed. So this was our second video. So let me just skip the video. Videos watched 1 and 9 more videos are yet to be watched. So whenever you've completed the watching of the videos, it will load again and again. Second task is also completed. Let's search for the third task. And friends, you can see you just have to watch the video for 2 seconds. So let me just show you the third video also. So friends, you need to know that you don't have to watch full video each and every time. Sometimes just 2-second video is also enough. So 1, 2. So you can see the page is not yet loaded. You can see 2 seconds have been over. Friends, let me now introduce you with the symbols. You can see the symbol is now red, which means that you have completed one task and second task is remaining. You can see second task, which is subscribe to channel. So let me just click on subscribe, and task is complete. You can see it turns into green, and whenever there is no green or red, it means that you need to complete the next task. So let me just paste the keyword. Yes, now again I fast forward the video and watched all 20 videos, and you can see approved 0.9 cent 1 cent. So the content more quiz time is also linked with the engage tab. Every time you watch 10 videos you get 1.9 cents credited. So after watching 20 videos you will get 3.6 cents credited each day for watching 20 videos. Friends, this is how you need to complete the engage task. Other than subscribe, you will sometimes also get option to like the video or comment on the video. So everything is automated. You don't need to worry about anything. Just watch the video, enjoy, and you don't need to keep watching the video. Just keep the video running on the browser and you can perform other tasks in other browsers too. So this was all about the video. I hope you have gone through the whole video and got a deep idea about the engage tab which I talked in this video, how you can how you can install the Chrome extension, how you can participate in this task, how you can solve the task which you have been assigned. I covered each and everything which I could in this video itself, and I personally also am watching 20 videos every day so as to be in top 100 list, and I will also make another video for those top 100 users which were selected by Timebox on how you can earn the extra additional $5 which you are being promised. Hope you understood everything I mentioned in this video. If you still got any doubts or queries, you can do comment down below, and I assure you that I reply to each and every comment on my channel. Also, I made a new Instagram as well as a TikTok account. So links for the same are given in the description below. Make sure you follow me on each and every social media, including my WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.